What's up, guys? Just to be honest, I really don't think you can be a good animate 2D animate artist if you can't draw. Just to be honest with you, I really don't think so. Unless like it's something that you're dedicated about and you actually want to do it. But I would like to share you my story. Um, when I started animate, just to be honest with you, I was never like a good drawer. Even right now, I am not even a very talented drawer. But through practice, that's what helped me, so that I can get to the position where I want to be. But one thing that people like really forget about to the animation is just one animation which you can create comic books, which means your characters like they don't have to be very serious. So um I think it comes to the form of dedication and what you actually need, what you want to create, just to have a little bit of a background on whatever like you want to create. For an example, if like you would like to create like the films or like the cartoons like Naruto, you gotta have a little bit of a knowledge on which software like they did use, what tools they did, because like you can only rely on your mouse if like you the people who did it like they had a lot of tools, and you tell and don't even try to tell yourself that you can even trade it uh, without those tools. Actually you can, but it will take you a little bit it will take a little bit longer. So you can see, guys, I'm also like just here trying to draw. I'm just trying to make a building here on Express Animate, another software which they're selling it, but you can even create bones. You don't have, or you can do like rigging, but they actually you have to pay for this software. Mm. So if like you're starting cartoons, you can use the software that I'm using just to get started, just to see like to understand all like the workarounds. It's called Express Animate, just to get a little bit of understanding mm, how do like cartoon animation actually works. You know, after that, that's when you can go to try out. Is either like you are going with Signify Studio or Signify Studio, or you can go for what is this more animation studio. It depends on what you want to do. Just to be honest, both of the softwares like they are pretty great, but for me I'll go for Signify Studio. I'll go for Signify Studio because it is free, and even the reason I'm using the software that I'm using right now, it is free. It is because it is free. Otherwise, nothing is really like special about it. It's just free. You know, because I think even on the top 15, like you won't see like this software Express Animate. You won't see it on the top 15 of like the free cartoon softwares. And I believe like there's a reason that those people they didn't put it on the top 15. Maybe like they knew like it don't deserve to be there. The software is not good enough, or whatever reason those experts they did. Mm. if if you want to do some of the things, you gotta be using like you gotta have a little bit of a knowledge of masking. um there's not enough tutorials on how to do animation sometimes. And that's another thing about animation, not just 2D, like even 3D. You gotta pay to you may get like the software free. You may get the software free. I think Blender is free. It's a very good 3D software. And Signify Studio is pretty good. There are a lot of big movies which are actually made out of Signify Studio. Um, and still, although like those are actually free, there you still need like to learn everything from you need to learn everything from for, you need to learn to understand how to actually use the software. You cannot like rely on YouTube unless like you have one specific YouTuber that is willing just to do everything for free, and explain everything to you. Because sometimes those people like they will have like a Patreon. That means you gotta pay to get all of that knowledge. So creating like a 3D or a 2D animation is not a pretty like you gotta have a couple of racks. And 2D animation, like it has declined lately, and that's something that we cannot decline, that we cannot debate about. People are not longer like really interested in 2D animation like they used to. If you can see, watch the movie. I think what was this movie? The last movie which was made on 2D. I forgot the name of the movie. But even the movie, like it didn't do like really good, you know. So like if like you want to talk about like a pretty good movies, which are pretty doing good, definitely you gotta understand like 3D. But 2D is still like a pretty great software. Still a pretty great software, and like you can um you can do a lot with a 2D software. You can advertise. You can also like do a lot of effects just using this one software. Like, because you can, if like you did manage to learn it, uh, you can specialize in things like an a special effect artist, you know, because it has like I don't know how I should put this, but I don't even hear what I'm saying. But guys, it is possible. It is possible to to what to get into 2D animation without a good drawing skill. It's just that you have to be dedicated. Don't do it just because your friend is doing it. It gotta be something that you really love. No, that's all I can say. Mm, just click here and we can just fix this guy like that. They say that's 2D animation, guys. Um, mm, that's 2D animation. Um, just click here. Just I'll go to 6 seconds. I don't want something very long, and nowadays I don't want something very long. Just click. Let's just rename it sun. Uh, I don't know what I'm even. I don't know. Go to position. Just to be honest, guys, on your own understanding, do you think what I actually did here was simple for you? Do you actually think what I did right now was kind of simple? Just just to draw like a building like that. That a sun, like just a sun, only a sun is moving. Um, and no one is coming out of that. Nothing else is happening. Just like the sun is moving from left to right. I think that's all. And just look how long it took me. And just think about it, like no, like to make like in 1 hour or like a 30 minutes animation. How long will it take you? If like doing this, it took me around like 11 minutes. At least that's no long. That's not a very long time. But you see, like this stretch is just like sketch. It's just like a very basic one, just a little bit of a pavement. You come here. This is a grass. This is like a Minecraft kind of thing. A very, very, very basic. Just think, guys. And if you want to save it, just go here. You go here. Then you write like a building. Write a building. Then just save it there. Then yeah, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this one. See you on the next video. Of which I don't know what I'll be talking about. But bless.